Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Crypto Mystery Cash. And for today, I have to represent more important uh, project. But please first subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell, and like if you want. Let's go to the project. I'm saying this because be the step with the channel, and if some projects stop paying, I will release video. I will make or writing comments that is not paying. Also, I have a Telegram group. You can see there. Before do something, just check it, guys. Let's go to the project and see what's going on. This is the how you can double your money in 24 hours. This is actually a doubler. This is a very good doubler. As you can see, let's go to my account just to explain how this is work. This page is this platform is basically new. They released yesterday and I immediately deposited. Why? Because this is their fourth project, and I participate in all four. But I have some tips from this. If you want to invest here, uh, just hear it. And as you can see, yesterday I invested 30, I earned 60. Let's go to my payouts. Let's go to my deposits. As you can see, I put a 30, I earned 60. I put this 30, I earned this 60. As you can see, it's closed and pay out. Now I put a 60 and I'm waiting 120. After that, every single day I will put 100 for 10 to 15 days, depends how the platform grows or pays. I will explain how, just in case to know or follow my strategy. If you want to earn, if you want to deposit more deposited, I believe, as I can see, that the minimum what he gives is in Tron, it's 30 Tron, but in other cryptocurrency I don't know. Let's to explain how this project works. The last one still exists, so let's go to the last there of the projects just to explain what happened there. In this miner, please don't use this doubler because this is not paying anymore. After he reached 20,000, he stopped paying, guys. But the platform still exists and I can show you what I made there to earn. Same as there, I put 30 TRX, I earned 60. Then I put 60, I earned 120. I put 153, I earned 306. After that, I just put 50 or 100 and claim 100 per day. But then I make step back after this project reach 15,000. I was not waiting to reach 20, and as you can see, also in the other project I will do the same strategy. I will play with their money. If I lose, I will lose just the 30 TRX. But currently, as you can see, they paying. This is their fourth project. Of course they paying, but for how long I don't know. So if you watch this video after 10 days, don't invest, or 15 days, or look in the comments, or if you see the link from the Telegram group, go there and check. I will write, if this project stop paying, I will write there, don't invest. So this is a good project, so hurry up guys. The site released yesterday. Just follow my tip and follow the statistics, just to see. You go downstairs on the main page, and already, as you can see, they have already 5,000. After 15,000 or 20,000, don't invest guys, and follow the payouts. For 5 or 10 minutes they must have new payouts. If you don't see new payouts, don't invest guys. This is my tips for this project, how to make money on this project. And after 24 hours this platform withdraw you automatically. No, basically you don't do anything. If you don't receive your money for 24 hours, just add your address. Immediately you log in, you will get your money. As I said, this is their fourth project. They paying, but for how long I don't know. Just in case, to represent my last project from yesterday, it's a very good airdrop. It's a Binance supported. All is need your Binance account. If you want to claim it. Even with non-listed token, you can still sell it. If you want to try it guys. That's it for today. That's all for today. Please subscribe, turn notification bell, and like if you want. See you guys. I will put links in description and also in the comment section. If you cannot copy from description, copy from comments. That's all guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.